Hello and welcome back to Learning with Leamy, where today we figure out how to set up an appointment with an advisor through Navigate on the John Jay website. Let's get to it. All right, on your smartphone or computer, open your preferred web browser and go to the Academic Advisement website, www.jjay.cuny.edu/academic-advisement-center. Once there, it should look like this. Scroll to where it says Make an Appointment on Navigate and click on the Click Here icon. It redirects you to another tab. Once you have clicked on Click Here, the page redirects you to another tab where you input your CUNY credentials to log in. Remember, not your John Jay email, but the login you use to access Blackboard and CUNY First. Welcome to the Navigate website. Click the Schedule an Appointment box seen on the right side of the homepage. With Academic Advisement pre-selected for you, once you click Schedule an Appointment, you must now choose the type of appointment you want to schedule. Do you want to schedule an appointment regarding academic advisement or a Title IV Satisfactory Progress Plan? Select a date and click Find an available time that correlates with your schedule once you have selected your preferred service. Here you have the option of filtering your search by searching by staff name, whether you want a virtual or in-person meeting, and the course you want to speak of if applicable. The results will then modify and you can choose the date and time that seems most convenient for you. Review your details and add any comments you want to share beforehand. Then you can add your phone number to the bottom of the page to receive text updates with reminders about your upcoming academic advisement appointment. After carefully reviewing and adding your information, click Schedule. You receive a confirmation email upon completion of the appointment scheduling to your John Jay email. If you have any questions or you can't find the answers online, feel free to contact the Academic Advisement Office or stop by. You can even shoot them an email. Good luck. Take advantage of this free resource.